welcome back. Look who I found wandering through the woods here. This is Owen from Lifesahobby. He has a YouTube channel, go over and check him out. And beside him there is Sergeant Crow, who I met last week. The 3 nutters, and then Phil, you know from the other videos. 4 nutters sitting out here under a tarp in the rain, but yeah, it's great, isn't it?
It is good, yeah.
You can't beat it really, can you? What's that video you made? Check out this video. And the fella, you're looking out on the wing, and there's a creepy fucker on the wing. It's hilarious.
Nightmare at 30,000 feet.
Nightmare.
That's my wife.
Your wife?
Me make that one, yeah.
I'll check out himself and his missus done it, and I swear it'll make us laugh, especially at the end of it, you know. Something different, but check it out. And right, are you sure that's your name?
That's your kayaking video.
Oh, well, that's just for reference. That was just.
So check out Sergeant Crow. You've 30 subscribers now, have you?
Oh,
and he's got making loads of content, but he's just making the step and getting used to talking in front of the screen. So I'm hoping this may help him. You know. Are you all right? Say hello to everybody.
Hello, everybody.
This man's a master craftsman. I showed you
no
the
way,
bow
don't
earlier.
That. That's rubbish.
He made that bow for me, and I'm waiting for the rain to stop to get out and practice in it and just be a little boy again, you know. But anyways, look, we'll say goodbye to us all and we'll catch us all soon. But check out their channels. That's Lifesahobby and Sergeant Crow. Yeah, and are you going to set up a channel someday?
Maybe someday.
Maybe. We'll let you know. We'll keep you posted on Phil's one as well. Anyway, back soon. Ciao for now. Bye bye. Bye bye.
Just release.
Yeah, well, boys will be boys, huh?
Unspin it. Or spin it.
We're playing with the bow and arrows. The rain has just stopped. The sun is coming out. Weather forecast says it's going to clear up at 3 o'clock today. We'll get a bit of a shower at 6 o'clock. According to the weather forecast, they are like magicians, and a bit of a shower and then it'll clear up for the night, and we'll even get a sunset tonight. So it's always good holding on sometimes, you know. Yeah, so it just looks lovely out here. So we're all playing with the bow and arrows. Yeah. So yeah, I'm gonna go over and play.
Everyone's going to find this easier because the extra strength on the other one and delaying when you pull back.
Right.
It's going to affect your accuracy. But I bet I get this in close to the other one now. We'll have to get a big target so we don't miss our target.
Right. And have you got 2 of them in beside each other there?
Just doing the knocking point. No, I'm not far from it.
Right.
Oh, that went off.
Yeah, see, with my bow I wasn't pulling it back as much as you were with that one.
Well, I could weaken your one a little for you.
Yeah, I think you tightened that up too much.
No, that's not what weakens it.
Oh, right.
I'd have to bring it home, put it in the stocks and shave it down.
Oh, right.
Or pick another one off the shelf for you.
Okay.
Because if it's...
Oh, my bow.
That's fine.
Good shooting, mate.
Yeah, but it's easier with that. You can be more accurate with that one because it's... power. You were online. Now I don't understand. It's probably like that. We're getting there. So it's just a matter of more, a little bit more.
Oh, that one hit the root there.
Oh, that's much better than leather grip, isn't it?
There's one under here. One went right under. One hit one. Look, that one hit the actual root.
How cool is that? Like, yeah, I've got a bow and arrow. Apart from one I owned when I was a kid, that's my first bow and arrow. Me and my friend John. How are you, John? Still watching Dude, I hope. John was out camping with me on the venison. We done venison, but we were going to take up archery, and then we looked at doing the course, and then we went down and looked at buying the arrows and all. He says, right, we'll have a think about that, and we never got back to doing it. But yeah, that's something I could dig, because here, the arrow or the bow is so light, it's so lightweight, like, and what you do is when you're carrying it, you unhook the string, so it's just one straight, almost straight piece of wood. It's beautifully crafted, isn't it? That magnet there is that so the arrows don't wear off the wood, so it's a magnet on each side, depends on whether you're left or right handed. Yeah, it's a thing of beauty. You can see it's well laid, well crafted as well. Cherry wood with maple. Yeah, I love it. It's a new toy. It's like something I didn't think now Stephen had said it to me that he make bows, and he has about 8 of them made at home, and I says, oh jeez, bring one up, you know, give us a look at it. It's something I might buy, you know. So when he showed me them and demonstrated them, I was like, okay, how much? I want one. I'm like a kid in a sweet shop. So yeah, so look, back soon. I think it's coming close to 4 o'clock now, so I'm going to have a can of beer. Chat soon. Bye bye. Hi, hey all, good morning. It's 8 o'clock now. We're out to water the flowers, and I just opened up the porch. I have a cup of tea, and this is 2 nights we've done, but I'm good for another day, and I think Stephen is good for another day, or Sergeant Crow we call him. Check out his YouTube channel. And Lifesahobby Owen. Great meeting you yesterday on. Yeah, so look at this mess here. Yeah, but I'm easy. I'll go today, but I think Stephen wants to stay another, so we'd stay another day, you know. Go to the weather forecast for today, but I think it's to be more or less the same as yesterday, so that was okay. I could handle that. I want to play with my new bow and arrow, you know. Yeah, I'd love to be just tossing around with that for a few hours today. Yeah, so I think it's go and make some tea time, and say hello to the Sarge. yeah, back soon. Bye. Yeah, hi. Just as I was nearly finished packing up, the heavens opened up and started raining. So I got all the stuff like the tarp to last. So I've got all my other gear packed up. Sergeant Crow over there. And see the camera Sergeant Crow's using. That's a Sony, whatever it's, but it's a 2006, I think he said, 2005, so it's 19 years, 17, 18 years old. Camera now, a graduate coming out of film school 17 years ago would have given his left bollock for a camera like that. But nowadays you can pick those cameras up for, yeah, €100. Now it'll do everything that the new more modern ones, but it is a bit big, like even a microphone on it. But yeah, you can get some wonderful film out of that. And yeah, I hold my hat off to him, buying it for €100. He doesn't mind about the weight, he's just more interested in film. He has 40 cameras. He buys old ones and just runs them out again and make sure they're fixed and all. So I think he's going to start selling them soon. You have to. 40 is maybe too much. I said that's more like a museum collection. But yeah, it's great to see that there's someone else with a hobby, you know, and you don't have to go full out €3,000 on a camera body or anything. They're like €100 and you're out filming. So yeah, so hold me hat off to him for that. Yeah, I'm gonna just I might bring a bit of stuff around to the car. That's what I'm gonna do. Yeah, all right, back soon.